Hello, everybody. My name is Jariah Liu. I'm with HVAC Systems and Solutions. HVAC Systems, let's talk about us for a quick sec. We are a HVAC equipment manufacturer rep. We rep BC, Alberta, Yukon, and Northwest Territories. We are in business for the past 26 years, providing reliable HVAC systems for the Western Canada. Today, I'll be talking about the benefit of factory package controls. So, one of the biggest advantage for the factory package controls is tested and proven sequence of operation. This means all the controls are factory installed, programmed, and tested. At the end of the day, if you build the unit, you know the best and the most efficient way to control it. This isn't custom programming done in the field. This is OEM engineered and tested control sequence under real world and extreme conditions like extreme cold and humid that guaranteed performance. So instead of discovering issues during commissioning, everything has already been proven. What that means for you is less debugging, no programming errors, no delays from the controls not working, and honestly, this is where a lot of projects being held up. Another key benefit for the package controls is saving time on the installation and commissioning time. With package controls, the components is already installed and wired from the factory. Controllers, sensors, energy monitoring stations, they're all installed in a package. So on site, it becomes a plug and play instead of build and debug. Overall, it reduces cost. It's cheaper to install controls in the factory than in the field. Another benefit is it comes with an option with energy monitoring. The system automatically calculates for efficiency, recovered energy, and energy consumption. Energy report is on the right-hand side. That is for Swagon energy monitoring report, and all the values are logged and displayed for the facility management team. Here is a quick example of all the data that is being collected with our Swagon Gold ERV unit. It also comes with an option for remote monitoring. It provides remote connection to the unit without connecting to the building network. So that means no IT coordination, no security risk for the building owners, and reduce maintenance. To summarize with package controls, you are not buying separate pieces, you're buying whole systems. So you reduce install and commissioning costs, unknowns on your jobs, and trade coordinations in RFI, that's talking about contractor side. It eliminates a lot of common problems we see where controls and mechanical contractor are pointing fingers or system just not ready for startup. So package controls reduce risk, shortens schedules, and simplify coordinations so your projects finish on time with fewer headaches. I'm going to play a quick video on the Swagon Blue Box. This is our heat pump.